Kia ora e diwi, ko Jayson Herewini tēnei. Hey look, this is part 2 of preparing my my hoi for carving. So, last video I done, I talked about cutting through the centre line, eh? So, this is, I don't know if you can see that, eh? There we go. So this is me finishing through that whole centre line. She's now done in half. I've managed to cut that in half. I'm going to separate it for you because this is part 2 of me preparing this hoi, eh? So here we go, family. Now I am going to use, where am I? I'm going to use this side for carving, and I'll use that for something else, eh? But I just wanted to check in with you and let you know that I've done this part 2, eh? So this is part 2 of turning that rako, that wood, into something meaningful, and my idea here is to carve a hoi or a paddle, and where it's going to be sitting is it's sitting on a wall that's probably 200 wide on either end. But yeah, I just wanted to check in with you and let you know what my process is. So from here, I'm going to smoothen that. I'm going to take a little bit of thickness off that with my rasp. So I'm going to do the paddle end, and then I'm going to do the handle end as well. But I just wanted to check in with you and let you know that I'm up to part 2 now of probably 3 or 4 stages when it comes to carving this this hoi. So my goal is to have it shaped out within the next probably 5 days ish, maybe. That includes having it all shaped out and ready for surface carving, maybe, eh? We'll see how we go, because it's been pretty bloody cold here in town, and on top of all of that I've got blimmin' sports to worry about as well. But I just wanted to check in with you and show you where I'm at with regards to this. It was a bit of mihi to cut that in half. Yeah, it took me a little bit of energy to cut that rako in half, because as you saw in the earlier video, it's quite thick. But yeah, now that I've cut it in half, I'm quite happy that I can move on to the next stage in my process now, which is getting ready to draw that up. I'm probably gonna run it through my thicknesser just so that I've got a smooth end on both sides. And my next step from here, and what does it explain it? I'm going to put a line through halfway through here, so I know where my centre line is. I'm also, just a sec, amps. Let's just move that out. Sorry, it's over. Here we go. And I'm going to run a centre line through this as well, eh? Because everything hinges off the centre line so that I can get it balanced. Apologies, eh? Because I don't know how to turn this blimmin' camera around on my phone so that I'm pointing at it directly. But anyway, you get the idea. I want to run a centre line through here, a centre line on the side, and then once I've got my centre line all marked out, then I can measure out how wide I want my handle to be, and then how wide I want my blade surface to be. Also looking at how long I want that blade to be from the bottom. I'll probably come up to about there, maybe ish. We'll see once I draw it up, though. But anyway, I just thought I'd check in with you and show you part 2 of where I'm at with this, producing this hoi. There we go, e te iwi. Thank you for your time and watching what I have to share about how to carve a hoi. Kia ora.